Wow. Biking.
You can rent bikes here. Guys ready to go?
The loop is 15 miles. Wow.
Okay, I'll get a picture next.
And it takes 2 to 3 hours because you're going to stop and look at things.
All right, here we are getting started. We're going to do a hike before we get on to our airboat tour.
40 miles.
40-mile hike. Right.
See a snail shell right there? Snail shell? Here, there's a giant one right there. Right in the back. Is that one?
No, that's not.
Maybe. Or it's a bridge.
That's
a so tire.
No, I think there is one. I gotta get it. Yeah, we've learned that when there's a crisis, I've all of a sudden learned how to run. Oh,
It's even got its own.
that's what I would say.
If you ever, Jerry, push me towards an alligator.
Ever do it. The one that Wendy hit was a little bit bigger than that. They're backing up. He's getting ready to come out. Oh, he's not.
You know, they're used to people.
Remember the zigzag.
I mean,
That's
what
right.
did they tell us in the last airboat? They don't leave their area forever. Like this is their area, you know? That is really cool. Really cool.
There's a bird there.
Those are definitely babies.
Is that actually a nest,
How
too?
cute is that?
Oh, yeah,
What are you not feeding me for?
How cute is that? Those are all babies.
Yeah.
Really
Oh. With its
Really
arms up.
guarding them. Yep, really
Well,
guarding
did
those
you see the
babies.
the babies underneath?
No, because it was blocking it.
Wow.
Okay, we got a gator sitting right out. And I'm going to stay behind
When you
Wendy
hit the
here.
golf ball at? That's about the size that you hit a golf ball at.
My protector.
There's a bird under the water here.
I saw an alligator over there.
Did you see that alligator?
Look at that. Look at
There
the
he
bird
is.
coming out of the water. Look
That's
at that.
a water snake.
Oh, what is
That's a bird snake.
A bird snake. It looks like it, huh?
awesome.
I've never seen a bird do that.
He was right here before, and he showed. Oh, there he is. Wow. And down he goes.
Hey, this thing is really going crazy in there.
Some lively fish in here.
Right at the beginning.
Well, is there a bird snake, can it fly?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Are these the same?
Hey Jerry, how's it going in there? What? Ah, Wendy took care of everything. Thank God. Where's Sue? Hey,
Wendy, you're my hero.
you know, Jerry, I know we'll both miss. I know I'll really miss Sue, and I'm sure you're gonna miss Wendy.
Tremendously.
Yeah, but we told him, we said, don't get close to the egrets, and certainly don't get close to the alligators.
And what'd they do?
Yeah, they didn't listen to their guys like usual, and we have an airboat tour that we have money down on. So I propose we go on the airboat tour and just come back and get them.
Whatever little bits and pieces of there are.
Pick them up.
And we're money guys. We like our money.
Yeah, so
Don't want to waste that.
we'll I don't know. We'll have to live with this decision, but we have an airboat tour.
Is that part of Wendy right there?
Yeah.
You know, where'd those guys go? They are always behind us.
Always.
They, you know, when I came out, I thought Mark was standing there waiting for us, but you know,
Yeah, I mean, forget it. I'm so sick of waiting for them.
you know,
They're so
we
slow.
have an airboat tour.
Right,
Let's
and
go.
we put money on it,
That's
and we
right.
like our money.
We're gone.
We're gone.
Forget
Bye-bye.
them.
Yep.